The world of artificial intelligence is experiencing explosive growth, and with that growth comes an unprecedented demand for computational power. AI workloads are becoming exponentially more computationally demanding, forcing organizations globally to recognize that traditional centralized providers are not always the complete solution for their rapidly expanding needs. While massive compute giants such as Oz, Google Cloud, and Azure continue to dominate the discourse and capture the limelight when it comes to AI processing, a profound and quieter revolution has been brewing beneath the surface. This revolution is driven by the rise of the decentralized compute marketplace. These decentralized platforms are capable of connecting organizations that require significant GPU power with providers who possess spare hardware capacity. They utilize decentralized mechanisms to achieve this connection, fundamentally altering the traditional allocation of computing resources. Critically, these marketplaces are proving capable of handling real-world demanding workloads, including complex tasks like AI model training and 3D rendering, all while offering costs that centralized, traditional cloud providers simply cannot match. In the rapidly evolving landscape toward 2026, 5 specific platforms are poised to reshape how computing resources are allocated, each employing unique strategies to democratize access to power. First among these revolutionary platforms is Argentum AI, building a highly liquid marketplace. For computing resources presents a significant challenge, but Argentum AI has successfully addressed this difficulty. The core mechanism involves treating GPU resources much in the same way that financial markets treat stocks, that is, as tradable commodities. This approach ensures both transparent pricing and real-time settlement for the resources. Argentum AI functions as an independent, fully decentralized marketplace. In this environment, enterprises are able to post their specific computing tasks, and providers then bid competitively to execute those tasks. The true differentiator for Argentum AI lies in its underlying infrastructure, which relies on real-time bidding, verifiable execution of tasks, and blockchain-based transparent settlement. These components work together to efficiently unlock idle computing capacity. The settlement process occurs entirely on-chain, utilizing Ethereum smart contracts. These smart contracts hold funds in escrow until the jobs are successfully completed, ensuring trust and security in the transactions. The impressive power of this innovative model was recently demonstrated when Argentum successfully closed an oversubscribed pre-seed funding round in October. This funding round was led by several notable entities, including Kraken, Banyan Ventures, Victor Morgenstern, and Todd Benson. Furthermore, Argentum AI has articulated plans to collaborate directly with GPU manufacturers. The goal of this collaboration is to establish effective liquidity and robust monetization plans for Second Life assets, a strategy intended to reduce the platform's compute costs even further. Our second platform, Aethir, has focused intensely on achieving scale, a crucial element in the infrastructure realm. Aethir achieved this impressive feat rapidly. Within a year following its specific token generation event, the project has established itself as one of the largest decentralized GPU clouds operating within the Web3 economy today. Aethir sources its extensive GPU capacity from Tier 3 and Tier 4 data centers. This capacity is then made available through a wide, distributed network comprising over 3,000 NVIDIA H100s and H200s, alongside more than 62,000 Aethir Edge cloud computing devices. Recognizing that pricing volatility can be a major concern, particularly for users opting to pay in cryptocurrency, Aethir took proactive steps. It recently partnered with Matrix to introduce a USD, an algorithmic stablecoin that is pegged directly to the US dollar, alleviating volatility-related worries. The third platform, Bittensor, escalates the concept of decentralized compute marketplaces by transforming AI itself into a marketplace. Bittensor operates as an L1 network. Within this structure, developers have the opportunity to train sophisticated AI models and contribute machine intelligence to the ecosystem. In exchange for their contributions, developers are rewarded with the network's native currency, the TAO token. Earlier this year, the Bittensor team introduced a significant enhancement known as Dynamic DAO, or DTAO. This upgrade permits each individual subnet within the network to issue its own proprietary alpha token. These subnets then compete rigorously for DAO rewards through open market mechanisms. This structure indirectly fosters a highly competitive environment where the superior AI models and the highest performing subnets naturally attract a greater share of available resources. Next, the Akash network adopts a highly straightforward methodology for its decentralized cloud operations. The platform's approach is centered on matching idle computing resources with flexible demand via a transparent, open marketplace. This structure enables users to rent computing resources from a global network of providers. This often results in costs that are up to 80% lower when compared to services offered by traditional cloud providers. The network is built on the robust Cosmos SDK and employs a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Users are granted the ability to specify their precise computational requirements, including details such as CPU needs, memory capacity, storage requirements, and even desired geographic location. Providers then engage in a bidding process for these specific requests. Demonstrating its commitment to high-performance AI, Akash formed a critical partnership in August 2025 with NVIDIA. The purpose of this collaboration is to deploy cutting-edge Blackwell B200, B300 GPUs onto Akash's decentralized cloud, directly targeting AI developers who need capacity for high-performance training and inference tasks. Finally, the fifth platform is Flux, which uniquely integrates the robust power of the blockchain with standard cloud computing capabilities. Flux utilizes a distinct mechanism known as the Proof of Useful Work V2 model. This model diverges from traditional methods by replacing GPU mining with a dedicated node-centric system. In this system, specialized Flux nodes secure the network by running real, productive workloads. This innovative approach simultaneously achieves two major benefits. It reduces annual emissions by 10% and targets a very low inflation rate, specifically sub 1%. The Flux platform is comprehensive, encompassing several key components. These components include Flux OS, which is a Linux-based operating system designed for deploying decentralized applications. Flux Edge, which serves as a specialized GPU rental platform tailored for AI/ML workloads. And Zelcore, a versatile multi-chain wallet that supports over 85 different blockchains. These 5 innovative platforms are Argentum AI, Aethir, Bittensor, Akash Network, and Flux are leading the charge in decentralizing computational power. As organizations globally continue to face burgeoning computational demands for AI, these decentralized compute marketplaces are actively striving to reshape and redefine how computing resources are effectively and affordably allocated.